Hello everyone, I'm back. So today, if you're wondering where I'm going, I'm with Amy and Patrick right now. And so, I will be going to Sedona with them, yay, because honestly, it's been over 110 degrees this whole bloody week. And we're like, hey, you want to get out of the seat? Yeah, sure, where to? Sedona, good enough for me. And I'm usually not the type of guy that like to go on long rides on my bike. Unless it was my Vulcan, and yeah, that was because of the cruiser, but anything to get out of this weather, honestly. What's up with people trying to go 100 for no reason? Why? I like it how a car is so low. You got like that camber shit going on, your bumpers hanging off. I just never understand that. Like, I just don't get it. Like, I guess it looks cool in the parking lot, but I'm surprised you're driving it like that without any backs or anything. But you know, to each their own, I guess. Not my cup of tea, that's for sure. Fucking Patrick was just racing a Lamborghini Aventador just now. I even saw him like wibble wobble like that, so I was like, oh no, oh shit. But luckily nobody crashed. Oh man, I literally just felt the drop of like the heat for like a second there. It's like feels so nice. We're getting closer though, so hopefully soon it'll be nice and amazing weather up there. Look at this beautiful scenario. Play the synchronized video music and everything and all of that now.
Yeah, well, I don't know. You wanna stop by later? Maybe you're gonna fix something tea. You wanna grab something from the street and bring it home? Well, yeah.
Enough of that now. You know what's funny? It's that originally last week actually I went on vacation for work, and I was originally planning to go to Flagstaff, but then realized, oh wait, no, that's probably a bad idea because it's out in the plains right now. And it sucks because like I was reading, you know, on my social media, and one of the person I knew of went to Flagstaff. He's like, oh yeah, the weather over there was amazing. I was like, great, that was fun. That would have been great for me. So then I posted, yay, look at that, it's not on fire. That was funny. That was funny. We're halfway there to Sedona already. Yay, halfway there. Well, it's gonna be another hour till we get there. Well, it'll be worth it. Man, if you see this in person, it's like a whole different story going on over here. Alright, so we're about like 30 minutes to Sedona. But what worries me is this weather, actually. That worries me the most right now. We're almost there, yay! Alright, so I think we're just about here. Yay, finally! Oh man, it's so nice. The Galaxy, you don't see that often. Beautiful out. If I'll make it live here, that'd be really cool too. Alright, so this looks like we just got to view now. I'm gonna talk about something. Ah! Ow! Oh, there we go. What happened?
The bike was overheating.
Okay. Oh, Amy's bike's overheating. You said it was overheating?
I was watching. No, the fan is still on.
Oh, my bad. Does your fan not run when you have the ignition off or that off?
No, when the bike is off, the fan doesn't run. The bike off, the fan on.
That's weird. My bike is not the same like that.
Mine doesn't stay on. When I turn it off, it'll get.
Yeah, your fan's on right now. There you go. So, we're just finding a restaurant to go to right now. Let the bikes cool down. We got something to grub on. There's a doggo. Yeah, get it on. I kind of hear what he was playing. Oh, that's gay.
You gotta pay, it's only like for one vehicle.
I keep forgetting how much I don't like downtown area. I don't have anything to put my bike. Got it? Yeah. Bro. Yeah, at least it's stable. Cardboard. You may work. Oh yeah, you'll definitely work. Okay. Yay. Ah. Yep. Yep. Here. There you go. Well, it's a good thing you have a steel kickstand. Alright, well, right now we're going to a lake to cool off and hang out for a minute. I'm going to jump right in. Apparently, they didn't tell me about that earlier. I would have brought some swimsuits, something to wear for the water itself, but no. But I said, you know what, screw it. I'm going all in with my clothes on. I don't care. And I'm gonna get wet, and once I get out and start riding, it's gonna feel a lot better. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I made up my mind. I'm not gonna go back out of this one. Don't care. I do not care if I get sick. It's so cool over here too. Like, I'm going like 30, like this speed, and my bike's not even like 190. That's so awesome. Alright, well, I guess to see you at the lake then. Here, yay. Not the best spot, I guess, but whatever, will do. Sure.
I wouldn't cross the river, it's just private property over there.
At least to that point, at the very least. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Fuck it. Go in. Should I take my feet? You know, fuck it. Oh yeah. I'm going in. Fuck it. I don't give a fuck. Well, at least if I fall, I got protection. Oh yeah, that feels good. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Fuck. Alright. You know, guys, you go in there. Stick your feet out. Oh yeah, true. Yep. Ah, slippery. Careful, baby, it's really slippery. Alright, time to be helmet off. I'm all wet and cold. Hey look, our progress is signing up. Thank you, exercise again. Clear. That's quick. We're gonna start heading home. Well, in the meantime, I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have any topics you want me to talk about, just comment out below in the comment section below and I'll really consider it. Yeah, I remember how out of shape I am. Go, go, go. Alright, back on the road. We didn't get ran over. Yay. It's raining right now. Well, sprinkling. So we're trying to make this as quickly as possible to get home, at least in the Phoenix area. What? Make it quick. The longer we stay out here, the worse the weather's gonna get. Oh, bad news and worse news. Bad news is it's kind of pitch black out here. Worst news is, as you may or may be able to tell, you see clear skies up there, and you look over there, rain. Really bad rain, it looks like, and we're probably gonna go through it. So if I don't make it, or something were to happen, at least I got it documented. Well, you know what sucks? Everything hurts. Ow. Oh. Ow, all the little water drops, it feels like a sharp thing piercing through my skin from my jacket. Oh boy. This is not fun. Whatever. Hey! We're finally out of the rain. Finally! I'm fucking cold and miserable right now.